Piet Mondrian. Painting lesson.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in Sweatpants.
Piet Mondrian was a Dutch artist, born in 1872 and died in 1944. Piet Mondrian introduced neoplasticism, a style of abstract painting that uses only horizontal and vertical lines and primary colors. It's your turn to create a Piet Mondrian work of art. The supplies you will need include a canvas, masking tape, red, blue and yellow paint, a paint palette, a paintbrush, a black Sharpie and a ruler. Tape off one large square. Paint the large square red. Carefully remove the tape and let air dry. Tape off another square and paint this small square blue. Carefully remove the tape and let air dry. Add one last tape box and paint it yellow. Carefully remove the tape and let it air dry. Using a black Sharpie and a ruler, trace black lines to complete the design.
Workbook and lesson to accompany this video, available on Teachers Pay Teachers.
Teacher in Sweatpants.